Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we're going to be testing out some fake nails, press-on nails, stick-on nails, whatever you want to call them. We're going to be trying out some from the brand oomynails. This company reached out to me and let me pick a few designs off their site so that I could try them out and review them. I went through a phase like end of last year where I loved press-on nails. Like I bought so many packets and I find they just look really good. Like you don't even have to go to a salon, you can do them at home. So yeah, I'm super excited to try these ones out. I really loved on the site how they had different like lengths and styles. Just a lot of like options, so it's actually really hard to choose only a few. So I'll go ahead and show you the four that I chose. So the first design I chose was this really nice dusty nude. They're in the medium length. Such a nice classic color. Next style I got was called Daisy and they're in the short length. I love how they got little like daisy flowers on the nails. The next one I got are these, oh my god, they're so gorgeous. These are in a medium length as well and they are called, these ones are called Blooming. These awesome rainbow ones. They are so cool. And the lucky last one I got is called Rainbow Wave and these are in the short length version as well. I guess now the issue I have is which one am I going to choose to show you guys? Alright, I've moved to my desk now so I can show you guys in like nice lighting. But I did end up deciding to go with these rainbow ones to test out. Also guys, by the way, I will be linking all the designs that I show you guys today. Just in case you want to check them out or want to purchase them. So make sure you check the description box because I'll have them all linked down there. Alright guys, so I'm just reading the back. It comes with 24 nails, a mini nail file, prep pad, manicure stick, and 48 adhesive tabs. Alright. So, here we go. We've got the nail file, manicure stick, and prep pad. Got your adhesives here. And then all the nails. So I'm going to go and prep my nails. Make sure my nails are pushed back like that. Does anyone else hate like the sound and the feel of filing nails? Ugh, is it just me? My nails are actually quite long at the moment. Some of them are. Right, so I've used the alcohol pad. Now I've got the adhesive tabs. Gotta find the right nail. That looks like a good one. And then there's this little clear bit that you take off the top. And then go ahead, pop the nail on and you hold that for 15 seconds, I'm pretty sure. So that's what it looks like. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest now. Guys, so I completed my nails. How cool do they look? I haven't worn fake nails in so long, so this is gonna take some getting used to, but they're really cool. I actually really love them. I'm super happy with how these turned out. I'm really interested to see how they go throughout the week. I feel like I'm one who would break a nail really easily. So yeah, I'm excited to see how they go. Hey guys, it's about 4 days later now and I just wanted to give you guys an update on how my nails are doing. So they're still looking really good. They're starting to feel a little bit loose, but I feel like they're doing really well. Like, I can't believe they've lasted this long. I did file them down a little bit because I did find it hard to do some like daily tasks. So I did make them a bit shorter, but yeah. And I felt so put together with my nails done. I actually really have enjoyed having my nails. I've also had quite a few compliments on my nails from people at work, which has been really nice. A couple of them were surprised that they were stick-ons. So yeah, I've just been really happy with them this week. And I'm also really excited to try the other styles out, so make sure that you follow me on Instagram because I'll most likely be posting photos of the other nails there. If you guys would like to purchase any nails, I do actually have a discount code. It's just Melinda, so I'll have it on screen and in the description box, and you save 10% on your purchase when you use my code, which I actually will get a commission on, so I just wanted to put that out there. And that's the end of the video, guys. I I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you again to oomynails/Glamermaid for reaching out to me and wanting to collab. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!